What's up, squad? What's up, gang? It's your boy Jbo. I'm back. Another video. Y'all look in the background. Shaggy dude. Well, call him Papa Shag. This nigga got babies. You know what I'm saying? Then he got a whole kid now. You know what I'm saying? For real.
This big.
Yeah. See that big ass drum? I just dropped some B-roll like I just did. But yeah, man, my boy Shag here with me today. Y'all know it's New Year's. He came help your boy set up the wheels. You know, he ain't seen him in person yet, so I got it. You know what I'm saying? Dude said he was gonna bring his bike here, but
it looked like it was gonna rain right when I was up to
Did I see his bike not here? Yeah. Yeah. But let's get Shag reaction on the tires.
Why they put plastic on it?
Good morning.
You got to pick the color of the pedals?
No, I mean yellow.
I like them. I ain't never seen them brand new out the box. I just seen my bike brand new with them on there. And someone else got to put them on. Them was aired up and everything. They literally give it to you to where you just
Get that one out too, Shag.
You literally just gotta put it on the bike and you can ride, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, this one needs a little air. Needs a little air, but shit, you ain't gotta put the tire on, no tube inside the tire, nothing. That dude is fucking nasty.
You do. I'm excited, bro. I'm super excited.
Look at the
real.
Look at the difference.
Wait, that's gonna be a way better ride, bro.
But like when you lean, you're not gonna have the dirt part on there. So when you lean, you're gonna have street. You're gonna have the tire. You know what I mean? So it's not gonna feel like it's gonna wash out on the concrete like it does.
Oh, I'm excited. Next, then is gonna be the exhaust. I gotta get the exhaust. Like I'm gonna get that this month. I'm gonna just hurry and just get it right. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do that. But yeah, my boy Shag came here to help me bolt up the CRF, so that's what we about to do, man. Make sure y'all check out the B-roll I just dropped. Hopefully y'all did, because I don't know if I'm put it before, whatever, but yeah. So that's what we about to do, man. We're gonna set y'all up, and we're gonna try to bolt her up, man. For real. We gonna ride. Shit show, so we're gonna set y'all up, and we're gonna get straight to it.
So it literally sits on these rivets right here. So you get it lined up exactly like
Fancy! Fancy!
it's lined up on the rivet right here.
Yeah, fancy. Let me set y'all up, man.
So it goes one of these, and then it sits in there.
Oh, okay.
So this is like a dust cover for the bearing right there.
But
And this is for the bearing and everything to spin on. So they slide these in the back wheel as caps. Because then when they put your wheel together, all they have to do is the spacers and everything like that.
What you mean?
Show you.
Alright, y'all, we gotta put these things in like Shag said, and we kind of find the easier way to do it. It might ain't be the
Might not be the right way.
right way, but it works. Let's show y'all our
This backside right here.
make sure everything gets played right.
That backside needs a little more, but it's almost in.
Yeah, no, in fact, I'm just going all
No.
around, so.
That hoe. You see how it just spaced itself out? No, you're good. We're not no experts who own every tool, okay?
Yeah, facts, we don't.
We're just trying to do something.
Trying to get it done. This might help y'all. Y'all might have two hammers and don't got the right tool.
You gotta make the right tool.
Come on with this damn same fucking fly fucking with me. I gotta stay this one. Bro. RP, bitch. Oh, motherfucking way, dog. Good.
Back wheel built. Look, Jay, we built the wheel.
We ain't had to go pay nobody. I ain't had to go pay nobody. Shag pulled up. Real.
Hey, that's how I've been feeling about doing
You put
things.
the Caucasian man and the black man together in the room. We're gonna make something nice. You know what I'm saying?
Or they gonna arrest us.
Oh yeah. Are they gonna arrest us? Oh yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
So it's got the dirt shield protector, and it works with the bearing and everything like that.
Yeah. We ready to be bolted up, yeah. Alright, we got this built, y'all. Now it's time to build the
Oh yeah.
wheel.
Now we got to build this front guy right here.
Yep. Hopefully. We'll be done home. Look at her. She
On the front one,
took her clothes off.
if I'm correct, all we have to do is build the brake.
The brake drum.
That's it.
Bet.
And then you have to push in the. Yeah, that's where it goes. You already see.
Dang. Look how big this drum is, y'all.
Go compare it to the stock one, cause I don't know if that's.
That's right, huh? He said it's right though.
Oh. I guess they're almost the same size.
We shall see. We shall see.
Hey, just bring your stock wheel when you go do that. When you take it up there to go get it. So if they need to take that off the front, cause that's what I'm wondering. Do we take that off the front right there?
Take what off? The black thing?
No, the rotor. Or do we put this rotor on?
Yeah, we put this rotor on, fool.
No, I know, but I'm just. We'll hope it works.
What you mean? Are you
Sometimes.
scared?
Oh, I'm not
Think it's
scared.
too big?
Yeah, that motherfucker's big.
But this is for this.
Hey, look, I go to church, so I ain't scared, okay?
Yeah, this for this though.
All right.
Right?
Cool. Hey.
Right? That's just how I see it.
That's what they sent us.
Yeah, that's what they said. It's what it's for.
They're like, what are they? I suck with the camera. See, this is why I don't own my own YouTube channel, y'all. I suck ass with the camera. Y'all would be like, what the fuck is he doing the whole time?
Yeah, man. That's why you learn. Yeah.
Plus, I ain't nobody someone want to watch on YouTube. I'm boring.
Yeah, I'm boring too, huh?
Do more than I do.
I'm doing it.
Man, don't
You
we
got
need?
to call for it, know what I mean?
Have to call John. Get John.
You got to call all them car parts. All them cars. You can do that. Also, maybe 2 of these is for something else.
Maybe they gave us extras.
Maybe.
I like when they give us extras. Let's see. Hey, y'all. I didn't do nothing, so I could see if JboMaf's fat fingers can fit here. We're about to see him get mad. You gotta understand. Jay and me about the same height, but Jay got big ass hands because he a bigger dude than
Yeah, well, you gotta do this shit. Or maybe.
Alright, switch me.
No, don't. Fuck it, I'm gonna show you, nigga. Big nigga can avoid obstacles whenever they come around.
And you seen the cool guy drive by?
Yeah.
I told you that's why I drive.
Yeah. The pull yours. It's a new season.
Look at that guy right there, y'all.
Shag, do not with the police. If you know Shag.
I'll say, if you know me, everybody be like, why you get nervous? Because of how I get handled, that's why. No, hey, my favorite thing
bro,
is,
do this shit. I can do it.
my favorite thing is when I say that, they be like, but you're white. It don't fucking matter what color race you are, bro. I swear on my life. Just make sure you're orange, okay?
Oh yeah, y'all had to let Shag do this because
I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to. Bro, this is like, holy shit. Bro, these are, it's alright.
you think that's too big?
Bro, I don't know how I'm gonna do.
I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna let Shag do this. I'm gonna set y'all up, and then we're gonna get back and see what's going on. Alright, y'all. Shag went home. We actually is done with this video. You know, we did set up the wheels. We haven't installed them yet because I do need a chain brake. So whenever I get the chain brake, y'all definitely will see that. And like I said, I am dropping videos every day. So if you're new to the channel and you don't know, I'm going to be trying to drop a video every day for y'all. So y'all respect the grind of what I'm doing. And, you know, join the fam, man. Like that like the like button and click the notification bell and subscribe. Yeah, man. Please. Your boy I'm trying to get out there. And we're gonna build this. Hopefully, you never know. We might raffle it off. It might be a free raffle, you never know. So join the squad, man. I'm out of this video. It's your boy Jbo. And I don't know if we changed the name yet, but it is Everyday with Jbo because we're trying to go back to back. If I change the name, I gotta stick to it. So, you know what I mean? I really appreciate y'all watching my videos. But alright, y'all, we out.